So let's think through it, that this is our script which is going to take the element demo and it can replace it with anything else. So for example, if we, and this is, by the way, this is your comment style on, if you use Notepad++ or any editor as such, and you will convert this to HTML text writing, so you will see that comments can be done using this option. So anything which you don't want to actually execute, you can simply wrap that up in the comment section. Now let's save this as a second exercise. So we say that this is my second inner HTML exercise. I'll show you this example, but I would want you guys to create a button and change the way we change the images. You need to change the inner HTML part and show me. So let's look at the folder. This is our folder. If we click on it, you will see that my first web page, my first paragraph, whereas since we have commented this out, this is not coming. If I remove this and if I just write here, so you will notice that as soon as I refreshed it, this has taken this element and it has replaced this inner HTML with something else. So what if I mention another text? Another text actually will not print when we load the page, because this is not event driven. Ideally, as soon as like the page loads, another text was present, but since we replaced it, so user will not be able to see another text at any given point of time, because it is happening so quickly that they will just see this image. Now what I want you guys to do, just create one script, and the way we changed the image, you should be able to change this text with some other text.